Hey, EV Dude here, head honcho at Pangea Charging and Employee of the Month 6 months running. I've been in the EV charging industry 5 years. Not 1, not 3, but 5. I've been hustling across this great nation selling charging equipment near and far, from New York City to Los Angeles and everywhere in between. Don't buy from those other guys. Buy from me, the EV Dude. I got the juice for a fraction of the loot, like this Boost Fast Charger by FreeWire, the perfect addition to any business or convenience store. It can charge up to 100 miles in just 10 minutes. It's blazing fast. Or this ChargePoint CT4000, great for everyday charging at apartments and condos. Ooh la la! Want to attract EV driving residents to your apartments and condos? I got the juice. Want happier customers at your hotels like these two? I got the juice. Office buildings? Juice. Convenience stores? Juice. Juice stands? Oh, you better believe I got the juice. Don't like the other guy's prices? Neither do I. Don't like this mustache? Neither do I. I'm shaving prices like I'm shaving this mustache. But call in the next 10 minutes to take advantage. 281-846-4404. Again, that's 281-846-4404. Tell them the EV Dude sent you. What are you waiting for? Time's a ticking. Call now or visit PangeaCharging.com to learn more today.
Charging stations may not actually be sold for a fraction of the loots. Orange is sold separately.